At the National Transport Commission, we're working on the biggest change to rail in Australia since electrification. Through the National Rail Action Plan, we're getting Australia's separate rail networks to think and operate as one nationally integrated system. By reducing differences and helping industry to make decisions based on what's best for Australia, we can improve safety, lift productivity, and grow a workforce with nationally recognised skills. It'll help rail to play a bigger role in our national transport system, reducing emissions and supporting our growing cities and regions.
By getting greater harmonisation, we will reduce costs, will definitely improve safety, and will make it easy for workers in the industry to move across the industry to take up opportunities for jobs in different places without having to reskill. Governments are investing billions of dollars in railways. To get this reform in place now, we'll be really capitalising on that investment and making sure we get the biggest bang for the buck.
That's why we're working with governments and industry to change how rail works in Australia. Australia's transport ministers have agreed that all future digital signalling on the country's major freight and passenger network must meet mandatory European Train Control System standards. It'll make signalling systems work seamlessly across networks so we can get more trains, people and goods across the country without building new tracks. They have also agreed to change the way rail is governed so national standards can be developed and adopted more easily. And they've endorsed a national pathway to streamline the process for approving trains, making it easier for freight operators to invest in newer, safer trains that produce less emissions.
By coming up with common standards for componentry, one of the things we hope to do is be able to create more economies of scale and allow manufacturers to create more parts here.
Having more consistent operating rules and processes will make it safer and easier for workers to operate across the country. While a national approach to skills and training will help attract and retain a workforce with the digital skills to operate and maintain new technologies.
We've achieved quite a lot in a short amount of time. We need to keep building on this momentum if we're going to have a rail industry that works for all Australians well into the future.
Visit our website to learn how the National Rail Action Plan is making rail simpler, safer and better.